All right, so let's look at number 6 here, the setup for that one. All right, where's my paper? There it is. Okay. So on number 6, they say they are traveling north from the port from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Yep. So from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, that's 2 hours. So 2 hours, and they were going 40 miles per hour. So that means that they traveled a distance of 80 miles north. And then they veered off and started heading east at a 70-degree angle. And that was from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So that's 1 hour. And they're traveling the same speed. So that's going to be 40 miles right there. The question wants to know, how far apart is their current location from the port? That's what they're after right there, is they want that distance. Okay. I guess, by the way, if you know this is a 70-degree angle, then you also know this right here would be 110 degrees. That way you have a side, an angle, and a side. So like, two sides and the included angle. That way you're going to be able to find the missing side. Okay, that's the setup for that one. All right, for this one, the softball problem, it tells us in the problem that the distance from home plate to the pitcher's mound is 46 feet, and they tell us the distance from first to home is 60 feet. What we want here is this just this little angle first. So because the segment from home plate to pitcher's mound is going to end up being a bisector, it's going to cut this. It's going to cut that 90-degree angle in half. We also know that that's 45 degrees. Okay, so because that's 45 degrees, that gives us everything we need. We've got two sides and the included angle, so we can use that. We can use that as our setup to solve for the side that's across from it. Okay, and then the last one. So the last one's like two problems rolled into one. The first thing you want to do here is solve for the missing angle. So in the overall triangle, the big triangle, this would be 26 in the bottom. You got 13 and 17. And you're going to solve for this missing angle in the bottom right first. So we'll get that first. So if I've got a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. The way you solve for the angle, you got to make sure that if this is the angle you're solving for, then the side length that's across from it's going to go here. So the 13 is going to be what's straight across from that angle. So when you set it up, make sure you put the 13 squared there, and then the rest of it's 26 and 17. Once you find the angle, once you solve for the angle, then you're going to turn your focus to the smaller, I guess the medium-sized triangle right there. Because assuming you found the angle in step 1, now you would have the two sides and the included angle. You could use that to solve for the missing side that you're after there. All right, cool. Hope that does it. Let me know if it doesn't.